Today we'll talk about how to turn off news and announcements notifications on your Glassdoor app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on account in settings here. So then you come to this list, and all you have to do, you just click here on push email notifications. Then you come to this list, you click here on edit email settings here. Then you just switch into open video here. So then all you have to do now, when it's going to open video here, just scroll down. So then you click here on news and announcements, and you come to this list, and here can you turn off news and announcements here. The like you see color, it's gone, that's mean turn off with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.